So welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see a real annual report, okay, and discuss like whatever concepts that we have learned, we'll try to apply here, okay, and we'll also see like where to download the annual report of a company and how to use these annual reports, okay. So we'll start. So our major consideration are two things. One is we will be like looking at statement of profit or loss account and statement of financial position. So first is if you want to download an annual report, okay, first you have to check whether the company is a listed company or not. So we'll go to Google. So in Google, you can just search for any company if it's listed or not. Okay. So first, ensure that company you wanted to search is a listed company. Okay. So there are like websites for it to be to know. For example, there is a website called a screener.in. So you can type any company name and you can check it. So for example, I have typed the company name as Asian Paints, okay, and the name is available. So we have got the company's data, okay. So once you get the company's data here, okay, it is a listed company, okay. So once it's a listed company, you can search in the Google, okay, about the company. So Asian Paints, okay, company you can search. So once you go to their company, okay, usually company websites will have information that mostly about the for the customer only, okay, they won't give you information for the investor. So if you search it, mostly in the end of the website, okay, end of the website, you usually have a section called as investors. So you could see here there's a section called as investors, okay. So you can click that. So here you have all information about the company from the investment angle, okay. So they give you announcements, whatever announcement has been made regarding the company, that will be here. So see here they have given an announcement about an investor meeting that is to be held, okay, and in some kind of a share which is being transferred, okay, and all these things you can see. You can also see analyst presentation. So if you want to know good idea about this company, you can see the analyst presentation, okay. So the company has given Asian Paints presentation at the IIFL conference held on February 21, 2021. So Asian Paints company has given a presentation about how their company is doing, okay, to IIFL conference, okay. So you can download this and you can see like information about what is the company doing, okay, how much is the profit, like what is the plans of the company, like that. So you can get a lot of detailed information from here, and you can also get the annual report, okay. See, you get so much information such as board meetings, shareholders corner, okay. Mostly in shareholders corner, I think you will be like having the uh, annual report, financial results. So as a snapshot they will show you financial results, and they have annual reports separately, so you can get the annual reports from there, okay. So we have opened a lot of tabs, let's see. So here you can see the shareholding pattern, okay, if you want who's the shareholders and who are the major shareholders, like that. You can also see uh, you can also see here the financial results, okay. Let's see their financial results. Usually this will be a snapshot of many years. No, this company has not given like that. What they have given is they have given the annual report of all the particular year, okay. So we what we want is the annual report, so we'll just click on that. Okay, so let's look at the annual report, okay. See, there are like so many information which is given regarding the annual report, okay. So if you want only the this company's financial statements alone, if you want, okay, you can just download that. Or if you want any information about any of this, okay, so usually annual reports is a very detailed document, and these are their contents, okay. So they will tell you about CSR report, okay, management discussion, board of directors report, corporate governance report, business responsibility report, okay, financial reports, okay. There will be a lot of information. Even see here MDs and CEOs letters. So you'll get a lot of information from their website, okay. But what we want here is the company's standalone financial statements. So we'll try to download that alone. So let's see what was the conference information that we downloaded was. Okay, here it's opening here. So we got that. So in this you can find out about like what is the information that the company wants to tell to its investors. Okay, so you could see here how big the company is in the world. Okay, it's something like the 10th largest company in the world, and it tells you like what are the different types of products they have. Okay, so they are into decorative segments in India, and they also tell about 1 quarter, some 3 months performance they have been like telling. Okay, so you get a very detailed information about how the company has performed over a quarter. Okay, so they have launched a lot of new products, and they have launched a lot of new product ranges in Nepal and Bangladesh. So they have done that. Okay, and so they have also said home improvement business. So you can get a lot of information from these uh, uh, websites. Okay, so you search for yourself and you can get a lot of information. Okay, try to do it by yourself. Now we'll see the financial statements. So the financial statements will help you to understand things much better. So let's see how it works. Okay, so we'll first see what is their financial statements. So we need to know about their SOPL and SOFP. That is what we want. So we'll directly search for that. Statement of profit. Okay, profit. So let's see whether we could get. Okay, statement of changes in equities here, and balance sheet is available. Okay, so see, they have given a very detailed kind of balance sheet. Okay, what we were doing was like an illustration problems, but look at here, the structure of it looks very similar to how what we solved. Okay, it starts from the non-current asset, then moves on to the current asset. Okay, and even for the equity and liability side, okay, it starts from the equity, then moves on to the liability, which is non-current liability, then it moves on to the current liability. Okay, so this is how the balance sheet is structured. Okay, and usually a balance sheet will have the current year data. Okay, so the current year data is 31/3/2020, but they will also have data, okay, of the previous year. Okay, so in the previous year is also shown here. Okay, usually 1 year is shown, but here they have given 2 years are given here. Okay, so this helps you to find out how the numbers have moved over a period of a year. Okay, so you can compare from 2019 to 2020 how things have moved. Okay, so that's about this. Okay, so you get the data about the statement of profit or and loss. You can get it from here. So it starts from revenue from operations. Okay, usually we saw only one number as revenue, but in reality there are like many types of revenues which are available. And then we move on to the expenses. So expenses are like cost of materials, purchases, employee benefits, okay, like that. And then we get the operating profit. So this is called, it can also be taken as operating profit. Okay, so from there he deducts the interest expense and he gets a PBT, okay, and finally he gets the profit after tax, okay. So in reality the accounts would be like very detailed, okay. If you see, some of the numbers are so detailed only like cost accountants or chartered accountants could understand them, okay. But for our understanding, we should at least know from a management perspective like how the numbers interact with each other.